In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do the foundation single crochet. And this stitch combines a chain and a single crochet in one fell swoop. It means that you can do your foundation chain and your first single crochet row together. And you can see the chain is neat on the bottom and the single crochet sits on the top in the usual way. That's the back of the work, and that will be the front of the work, like so. Now it means that your tail is going to be on the wrong end of your work, so that might be a bit confusing. So you might want to mark what's the front and what is the back, but you'll get used to it very soon. So let's demonstrate with some worsted or aran weight wool and a size 5 crochet hook. Make a slip knot in the usual way. Insert your hook. And we're going to start by doing 2 chain. So yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. And we're going to work in this part of the chain, the first chain. We're going to insert our hook underneath those 2 loops in that first chain. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first loop on the hook. That makes your first chain, and then we're going to go through both loops on your hook for your single crochet. Now we're going to create our second chain. Now we turn our work slightly towards us to find a V from the previous stitch. A bit tricky to start with, but once your work gets longer, it's much easier. Into that V, yarn over, pull up a loop, through 1, through, yarn over, through 2. Now it's nothing to do with these 2 loops. We're turning our work so we can see this loop and the loop at the back of the work, just there. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. So we're working almost vertically in this direction to keep the tension correct. Turn your work slightly into the stitch below and the back, like so. Yarn over, pull up 1, through the first to make a chain, through 2 to make your single crochet. Turn your work slightly and insert your hook. This wool is quite slippery. Yarn over, pull up, make your chain, make your single crochet. Turn your work towards you or to the right so that you can see that V here. Yarn over, pull up, pull through 1, pull through 2. Insert your hook. Okay, so it becomes easier as you work up. Pull through 1, pull through 2. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, through 1, through 2. It's like I'm working backwards. Normally all our work is on the right hand side, but I'm finding it easiest if the work is tucked under the left hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, 2, 3, 4. So a little fiddly, but actually it makes a very good foundation chain. So it's actually this way around that we want to look at it. So there's our beginning chain, there's our single crochet, and there's the tail on the right hand side, and you'll continue this until your work is the right width for your project. So thanks so much for watching. Pop back again soon, subscribe to the channel and click like if you've enjoyed it. Bye.